Good morning, children. Yesterday we have discussed about the A bit. In this revision, A bit we have studied. What is the A bit? Choose the correct answers from the following. Now today, write the multiplication fact for each. What is the multiplication fact? We have learned in the multiplication chapter. Writing down the repeated addition into the multiplication form. Writing the repeated addition form into the multiplication form. This is the repeated addition of some number. We have to write them into the multiplication form. Okay, now I'll do the two problems here. Remaining three have to do for the homework. And pause your video and write down this question. Pause your video and write down these all questions. Okay, here how many fours do we have? How many fours do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours we have here. 5 fours. That is 5 times 4. How many times 4? 5. 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Right? 5 times 4. That how can we write? 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 5 times 4 can be written as 5 into 4. 5 times 4 can be written as 5 into 4. Then what is the 5 into 4? 20. 5 into 4 is 20. Count down here. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. This is the table you have to learn in the multiplication tables. Next we will go into the second one. How many do we have here? How many 6 are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 6s are there. That means 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 3 into 6. This is the multiplication fact. What is this? Multiplication fact. This is the multiplication fact. This is the multiplication fact. And what is the 3 into 6? 8. 3 6 is 18. How many 8s do we have here? 4 8s. That is 4 times 8. You should write 4 into 8 and we have to do the multiplication. You should know the tables to do this. Please learn tables and do this. And the multiplication fact is nothing but nothing. Repeated addition of the number is writing in the form of a multiplication. Writing in the form of a multiplication. This is the symbol of the multiplication. So repeated additions they have given and you have to convert into the multiplication form. That is multiplication fact. And here also we have done this. Remaining 3 you have to do for the homework. The remaining 3 you have to do for the homework. Or else I will do here itself. Please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many 8s are there? 4 8s. That is 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 4 into 8. What about these 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the 2's? How many 2's are there? 6 times 2. That is 6 into 2. Right? Next 5's. How many 5's do we have? 2 5's. That is 2 times 5's. That is 2 into 5. 2 into into 5. So we'll write here as products. 4 8s. The answer of this multiplication we will call it as the product. The result of this multiplication, that is multiplication, we call it as a product. 4 8s are 32. 4 into 8 is 32. Next 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Pause the video and write down the answers and questions in your book. Pause the video and write down this all. Now next bit is see bit, write the product. See bit, write the product. In write the product, what is the product? Product is the after multiplication you get the result, you get the answer, that is known as the product. Product is known as the multiplication of two numbers. When you multiply two numbers you get an answer, that is known as product. 3 into 4. What is 3 times 4? 3 into 4. It is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. 9. Next 9 into 0. A number multiplied with 0 is always 0. Properties of multiplication. A number multiplied with 0 is always 0. The answer is 0. Okay. Next 8. 5 into 8. 5 into 8. That is 5 times 8 is 40. Is 40. Now write down this all questions. Pause the video and write down all these questions and do it in your homework. Do it in your homework. Write down all the questions. Pause your video and write down all the questions. Please read the tables and complete this. Please read the tables. Please read the tables and after that only you complete this. Without knowing the tables, you can't do this type of bits in your exam. In this type of bits, and you have to definitely learn the tables and you have to write up. Next D bit, climb the mountain by multiplying the numbers in the adjacent box. Climb the mountain by multiplying the numbers in the adjacent boxes. What they had said, climb the mountain by multiplying the numbers in the adjacent boxes. These are the adjacent boxes is nothing but sides. Side and side, beside the side. So these two are adjacent boxes. And they said to climb the mountain by multiplying the numbers. These adjacent box numbers you have to multiply, you have to write the product here. And you have to completely climb the mountain top. You have to go to the top like multiplying the adjacent boxes. So you do the first one. 2 into 1 is 2. And these two adjacent boxes. 1 into 2 is 2. and 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 into 6, 12. 4 12s are 4 12s are you have to do 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 2 4s are 8. Ones place. 4 ones are 4. 48. The answer is 48. The answer is 48. Okay, we have multiplied the adjacent box and road and climbed the mountain. Climb the step forward. Same like this 1 and 2, we climb forward and we put the answer product here, and 2 into 3, the product is here. Like this you have to multiply the adjacent box and you have to write the answer. You have to multiply the adjacent box and the product should be written in the up box, which is directly up towards both the boxes. Now, next I will give the another one. Do it for the homework. This is the mountain. You have to multiply the adjacent boxes. That is 5 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 5. And the product of 5 into 1 is written in the up box. Next 1 into 2 is written in the up box. 2 into 5 is written in the up one box. Like that you have to climb till and to get the answer. You have to multiply, you have to climb the top of the mountain. Now I will give the homework. We have discussing from yesterday revision. From yesterday we are discussing about revision. These are the bits. In yesterday I have discussed about the bit A and today B. These two I have completed. You have to just read them. Complete today's bit C and D in your homework. Please do your homework, and before doing the C bit, that is a product, write the products. You have to learn multiplication tables compulsory. You have to learn the multiplication tables compulsory. Please complete your homework daily verse. Thank you.